Now that you have solidified your messaging and your targets, it's time to start your outreach effort. Your goal is to get as many relevant meetings as possible. The more meetings you have, the more offers you are likely to receive, and the smoother your job search is likely to go. As you consider your outreach strategy, it is important to understand the 4 distinct ways to get a meeting. They are networking, direct contact, job board applications, and search firm referrals. Let's take a moment to define each of these. Networking is when a contact of yours is able to make a warm introduction to a hiring manager or key influencer at the company you are targeting. The term networking is also used in other contexts. Most people imagine themselves uncomfortably handing out business cards at an industry event. We'll cover that later. Direct contact is simply contacting someone you don't know. When an intro through a mutual contact is not possible, this is your best option. You may be surprised to know that direct contact is one of the most effective tools for uncovering the hidden job market opportunities. Job market applications. Here, you are applying to open positions that are publicly listed. Expect to be up against a tall stack of resumes, but don't be discouraged. We'll help you get the job boards working for you. And finally, search firms. Search firms are tricky. Search executives don't work on behalf of the job seeker. They work for the employer that engages them. Building relationships with the right search firms is the key, especially for senior positions. This chart depicts the portion of meetings sourced from each of the 4 pathways for the average job seeker. It underscores the fact that each of the 4 ways can play an important role in your job search. Yes, each job search is different. Senior searches rely more on networking and search firms. Early career searches lean more on job boards. But, since any meeting could lead to an offer, if you want to maximize your search, we suggest you explore all 4 of these paths. This chart also offers a lesson in time management. Think of it this way. If the majority of meetings are not sourced from job board applications, make sure that you are not spending all of your time on online applications. This chart is a good rough indication of the amount of time and effort you may want to devote to each method. We will take a closer look at each method in the next section.